Yo guys, what's up? My name is Cal Wilson, and today I went to the Scottish International Air Show 2018, and it was pretty good. And I also uploaded two parts to the air show that I videoed when I was there, so feel free to check them out, guys, and also subscribe if you're new for new content every day, and please leave this video 100 likes, and that would really support the and that would really support the channel, and yeah so yeah so like the international air show, and was like it was like different planes and fighter jets, and uh like like my favorite plane, well, fighter jet there was like the RAF Typhoon. um to be honest, I don't really know why I like the Typhoon. I mean, maybe jet and I like jet, so is it the fact that it's loud, and yeah, and so so yeah, I was oh and yeah, and I was also at the air show last year, and I didn't have a YouTube channel last year, but I was thinking of creating my YouTube channel last year, but I just didn't really want to, and this year, look where that got me. So, I mean, I really do enjoy creating videos for all you guys to watch. I mean, I am hoping that I'm not boring you guys, so and yeah, so also I got two new games for my Xbox, which is Dragon Age Inquisition and WWE 2K18. So also, if you'd like me to do like a let's play on them, I could do that. And yeah, so peace out, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.